Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to add TSA PreCheck to Frontier Airlines. You must first have a valid known traveler number or KTN before you can finally add TSA PreCheck to Frontier Airlines. This unique identifier is given to anybody approved for TSA PreCheck or other trusted traveler programs such as Global Entry, Nexus, and Sentry. The easy way to utilize TSA PreCheck for your Frontier Airlines flight is to add your KTN while making a booking. Now visit the Frontier Airlines website, flyfrontier.com, and begin to book your flight. When you get to the passenger information page, there will be a field with known traveler number or trusted traveler number. Next, enter your KTN into that field and continue with the booking process as normal. By putting your KTN in when you book, you'll typically have your TSA PreCheck status reflected and present on your boarding pass. You can simply visit the Frontier Airlines website and click on the Manage My Booking tab. Enter your last name and the confirmation code to get to your reservation and look for a place to add or update traveler information. Then locate the known traveler number field and import of your KTN to that field, save all changes made. The KTN must be added to your reservation as soon as after booking, but at the very latest, at least not later than 3 days before your flight to ensure that it will be processed on time. Once you have added your KTN to your booking, it's essential to check that it has been approved and reflects on your boarding pass. You should simply review your boarding pass while checking in for your flight. It includes the TSA PreCheck indicator or logo if applicable. In case you did not locate the TSA PreCheck indicator on your boarding pass, at this point you can approach a customer service agent at Frontier Airlines or even visit a ticket agent. Note that an individual with valid KTN may not be eligible to receive PreCheck screening at all times for TSA. TSA PreCheck eligibility is always determined on a per-flight basis because of the TSA's risk-based algorithm for determining PreCheck status for individual trips. Not all the TSA PreCheck participants must satisfy some eligibility requirements. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.